Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Backbenches Classroom, and this today's video is about how to create a system restore point in your Windows 11 system. A system restore point is a backup copy of your Windows operating system. This system restore backup copy will help you to recover the system to an earlier point of time in the event of system failure or instability. Okay, so I'm not going to the depth. Let's understand how to create a system restore point and how to use it. Okay, so guys, follow the steps now. Click on this PC and open it. Okay, after that right click on this window and click on properties option. Okay guys, now click on advanced system setting option. After that you will see this sub window. Now click on to the system protection option. Here as you can see the protection is off on my drives. Okay, just click on configure button and turn it on system protection option. Okay, and then set. Now here using this bar set the disk space to save the backup file or system restore file. Okay, give a minimum of 30 GB and then click on apply and then click on OK button. Okay, now so guys, after assigning the space you have to click on create button. Now write a name of your backup file. Here I'm going to name it as Windows 11 backup. Okay, now click on create button to create your Windows operating system backup or the restore point. So guys, after once the process get completed, it will give you a successful message. Click on close button and then click on OK button. So now you are done guys. So guys, that's how you can create your Windows backup and use it later. Okay, so let's understand how we can use this restore point. So guys, if you are facing with some system related issues or system file missing issues, then follow the steps to back up your computer on earlier state. Okay, you can simply search for a system restore point option and then click on it. Okay, and then from here you have to click on system restore option. Okay, now click on next button. As you can see, here is my backup. Okay, if you click on next button and then finish, it will take some time to get back to the early state. Okay, so guys, by following this video you just not only creating a backup file of your operating system, even you have learned how to use it. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.